We've all heard the money is in the list, but what exactly does that mean? Well, let's talk about that. But first, if you would, go down below and click on that subscribe button and click on that little bell so you'll be notified the next time I have a video that goes live. Have you built a list, but they're not buying from you? Maybe you need a different strategy. Let's talk about a few things you can do with and for your list. I have 7 points that I want to discuss with you. Number 7, market your target audience. Be sure that you're marketing to the right people. When you are congruent with your advertising, your capture page, and your sales page, all leading to your product or course, you're more likely to capture the right audience or the right lead. So be sure that they flow, that you're mentioning the same things in your ad that you mention in your capture page, that you mention in your sales letter. So they all three need to match so they know where they're headed. And when you have their attention in all three places, you're more likely to get the right person. So target that person or your customer avatar with your ads. Number 6, contact your list daily. Now, you may think if you email them every single day, they'll get tired of hearing from you. But on the contrary, if you don't email them every day, they're going to forget about you. And you don't want them to not remember you. So, first of all, if you're giving them value every single email, they'll look forward to learning from you. They'll look forward to hearing what you have to offer next. And second, if what you have to offer them isn't for them, they just won't open your emails or they'll unsubscribe. So they have the control. So you don't need to feel like you're bothering them. Don't put a whole lot of thought into that. Okay, number 5, be consistent. If you're emailing your list every day, then do so every day. Don't miss if you can possibly help it because they'll come to expect that email and you don't want them to forget about you. Number 4 is don't lose steam. Too often, new marketers just get discouraged because no one buys from them in the first few days or the first few weeks. But remember that buying decision that it takes 5 to 6 times of being exposed to something quite often before people buy. Well, if they're not opening an email every single day, it could take days or weeks before they get that to that buying decision. So just be patient, be persistent, and be consistent. Number 3, treat your email treat your email list just like the asset that it is. It's very, very valuable to you. Your list can change at any time. People opt in, people unsubscribe. You must actively give value and solve problems for your list. Be consistently aware that your list is made up of real people. Find out what they need. Find out how you can help them. Ask them. Run a survey or ask them to respond to your email. Actually communicate with them. Show them you're a real person. Be a problem solver. Number 2, take time to learn how to write good emails. Improve your copywriting skills or hire someone who excels at it. Engagement is key. Tell a story. Tell your story. Be real. Of course, there's a place for follow-up emails. They're meant to sell. There's certainly nothing wrong with that. After all, that's why you're building a list to make money. But being personal with your list means you'll have people who want to learn more about you and stick with you for years. And number 1, send offers to your list. You're building a list to run a business that makes money. Am I right? So don't be afraid to offer them your products and services. In every email, there should be a call to action for an offer. Your email can focus on the offer sometimes, and sometimes it can just be at the PS. But every email should have an offer. After all, you're in business to make money, right? So treat your list well, and it will be there for you as you grow your business for years. The money really is in the list. Your list of real people who will buy from you because they have come to know you, they've come to like you, and they trust you. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Communicate with your list, and you'll be a star in our industry. And remember, you have everything you need inside yourself to be successful. You are empowered for abundance. Take care.